Chinese people love chicken feet, and their price is higher than the meat one. This dish is called Feng Zhua Phoenix Claws. Don't be impressed. Dare to test them and you will be surprised. You will find that there is indeed something very good to eat on the chicken feet. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Remove the claw at the end of each finger. Score the underside. Dry them with paper towels. Now, make the preparation of the sauce. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them. Chop them with the shallots. Finely slice the ginger. Put them with the chopped garlic and shallot. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of fine spice powder, the anise starch, 1 tablespoon of black bean paste, one teaspoon of chili paste, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Cut the hot chili into small chunks. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Fry the chicken feet over high heat to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Stir from time to time. They'll become golden. Remove them. Soak them in cold water for 1 hour. Their skin will be blistering. Take them out of the water. In a pressure cooker, caramelize 1 tablespoon of sugar over high heat. As soon as the caramel starts to smoke, add the chicken feet, the preparation of the sauce, 60 centiliters of water. Mix. And put a lid. Heat on medium heat at low pressure setting for 30 minutes. I don't want an extra quick cooking. I want the ingredient to simmer and release all their flavors. If you use a classic pan, let simmer over medium-low heat for about 1 hour. The feet are now soft and they'll have a nice color. Bring them to a boil. Add the diluted starch while mixing. Let heat for 20 seconds. Cut off the fire. The chicken feet are ready. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendez-vous in my next homemade dish video.